Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can avoid buying fragrances you don't like, especially if you don't have a store where you can walk in and test out perfumes before you buy. If you want to buy a perfume, to avoid having blind buy fails every time you buy a perfume online, there are some things you need to have at the back of your mind when you're shopping for a perfume online. First thing is, know the type of perfume you enjoy. What type of fragrance family do you enjoy? Do you enjoy fruity perfumes? Do you enjoy floral perfumes? Do you enjoy woody, spicy, warm type of scent? Those are the information you are going to be needing when you are trying to buy a perfume online. There is no way you are not going to do a little bit of homework if you want to avoid buying a perfume that you hate. If you want to buy a perfume and end up not liking that perfume, you have to do some homework. You have to put in a little bit of time to, research about this perfume so that it will help you know if you are going to like the perfume or not. 2, know the type of notes you enjoy in perfumes. It's one thing to know the type of fragrance family you enjoy. It's also another thing to know the type of notes you enjoy in perfumes. Take for instance, me personally, I enjoy perfumes that have iris or orris. Orris is the root and iris is the flower. Okay, I enjoy iris or orris in perfumes because they make perfumes smell powdery. Once I see that note in perfume, I just know that that perfume is going to be powdery. Another note I enjoy so much in a perfume is bergamot. Bergamot is want to smell a little bit similar, similar to lemon, right? But bergamot is a bit sweeter than lemon, so I enjoy bergamot in perfumes a lot. If I see bergamot in perfumes, I know that there is going to be some accent of some element of freshness in that perfume or some element of airiness in that perfume. So I like the note of bergamot. Another note I really enjoy in perfume is orange blossom, lily of the valley. These are just some of the notes I enjoy in perfumes. I'm just giving you an example. You bought a perfume and you really like that perfume. You need to go and find out what the notes of that perfume are. So the next time you're buying a perfume, you will look out for that note. Now, let me quickly say this, because you buy this perfume and you have a lot of all these notes that you like in the perfume, and then you see another perfume that have all these other notes you like in that perfume, it does not mean that the perfume is going to smell exactly like the one you already have. Sometimes it's not like that, except if the perfume is a dupe of the one you already have. So a perfume having a similar note in the perfume that you already have does not mean it's going to smell exactly like the one you have. It does not work like that. But just knowing the type of perfume notes you enjoy is also going to help in making you understand and helping you know if you're going to like a perfume or not. Another thing I would say is very helpful when it comes to avoiding blind buy fails is checking out the notes of these perfumes. The most popular website to check out notes on perfumes is Fragrantica, which is what I use. Every time I have used Fragrantica to check out some of these things, sometimes it's a fail, sometimes it's a win. It's not like 100% accurate, but it's something. It's what I use to help me when I'm trying to avoid a blind buy fail. Even though I like to blind buy perfumes, if I'm going to be spending some coins on a luxury perfume, I'm sorry, I'm not just going to blind buy. I'm going to do some research about that perfume. So how do you check out a perfume note, or how do you use Fragrantica to your advantage to help you buy a perfume that you will not end up regretting? The first thing is to go to Google. Yes, Yes, the search engine, Google. Yes, go and type the name of the perfume you want to buy. Take for instance, I'm looking to buy Fire on Ice by Lattafa online. The first thing I will do is go to Google and type Fire on Ice by Lattafa and send. You are going to see a lot of options right here, okay? But if you scroll through, you will always see Fragrantica. This is Fragrantica. So just go ahead and click on the picture you see. It will bring you to this page, okay? It brings you to this page. Now this page is showing you the name of the perfume, and it's also showing the main accord of this perfume. The main accord of this perfume is woody, warm, spicy, sweet, fruity, amber, cinnamon, rose, caramel, and earthy, right? But what I want you to pay attention to in this main accord is the first three. The first three on this main accord is woody, warm, spicy, and sweet. The rest is just going to be like in the background of the perfume. The main accord of this Fire on Ice by Lattafa is going to be woody, warm, spicy, and sweet. If you scroll up, you are going to see the pros and cons of this perfume. The pros are ideal for autumn and winter nights, consistent compliment getter, smooth, boozy, high quality, dry down. Those are the pros of this perfume, and people have already voted for these pros. 7 people voted good for ideal for autumn and winter. 4 people voted consistent compliment getter, while 4 people voted for smooth, boozy, high quality, dry down. Now, when it comes to the cons, it says too cloying for high heats, fragile, thin glass bottle construction, requires maturation to reach full potentials. So you see the pros and the cons of this perfume that have been written on this website, and you also see that people that agree with this, they vote yes. People that don't agree with it, they vote no, like thumbs down for no, thumbs up for yes. Okay, now when you scroll down a little bit more, you see where the perfume notes are. The note of this perfume is cognac, raspberry, cinnamon at the top, and then at the middle you have rose petals, caramel, moss, and at the base you have oak, myrrh, cedarwood, and ambroxan. Those are the notes of this perfume. Okay, now for the note of this perfume, you will see that the ones that is dominant, the notes that are dominant in this perfume are usually bold. If you scroll all the way down, you will see where it says longevity. You will see very weak, moderate, long lasting, eternal, and you will see that people have voted for this Fire on Ice by Lattafa. People have voted long lasting, so a lot of people have already said that this perfume is very long lasting. Okay, now another one is for sillage. For sillage of this perfume, people voted moderate. The highest vote for sillage is moderate. Okay, now let's now scroll a little bit down. You see where it says gender. A lot of people voted for unisex, so this perfume is a unisex perfume. Now let's now come to price value. People say it's good value. They voted good value. A higher number of people voted that Fire on Ice by Lattafa is of good value. Now let's come to the one that is most important. Now this is where you get to see a perfume that this Fire on Ice smells like. This is where you get to see the perfume that the perfume you want to buy smells like. This part of this Fragrantica helps you know if you already have something that smells like this perfume in your collection already. So if you use this Fragrantica well, you are going to be able to stop buying perfumes that smell like the one you have and that smell like the one that smells like 5 or 6 bottles of perfumes you already have. Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll see where it says these perfumes reminds me of. Can you see it? These perfumes reminds me of. Now, what does this perfume smell like? This Fire on Ice, according to Fragrantica, what does it smell like? It smells like Angels Share Paradise by Kilian. That is what this perfume smells like. You also have other perfume that smells like it. It smells like this Royal Blend. It smells like this Royal Blend. It's Valaya by Rayan. It also smells like by Kilian Angel Share. Okay, it has a lot of perfumes that it smells like. The one that won the votes, this one has 121 votes. So a lot of people are agreeing to the fact that this perfume smells, this Fire on Ice by Lattafa smells like Angels Share Paradise by Kilian. Some people also voted that Rayan Valaya smells like Fire on Ice. It also smells like the OG by Kilian Angel Share. Now, I want you to not discard these other ones. You see these other ones, the by Kilian Angel Share, the Valaya, and this Royal Blend. Don't discard it because a lot of people voted this first one as the one that smells like it. Don't discard this other one. What you are just going to know is that even though it might not smell exactly like these other ones that were listed in this list, it also share the same vibe. All this perfume on this list, they share the same vibe as this Fire on Ice by Lattafa. All these perfumes on this list, they share the same vibe or DNA as Fire on Ice by Lattafa. So that is how you use Fragrantica to help you as a buying guide to know what perfume to buy, if you are going to enjoy the perfume or not. I hope this video is helpful. I know it's a bit explanatory. I just had to find a way to explain this thing to you so that you will not keep buying perfume that smell the same every now and then. Okay, that is all for today's fragrance chat. I hope today's chat is helpful for your next buy. You know, I hope this video is helpful to help you avoid another blind buy fail.